Welcome back, drifters. So today is a great day because, well, today I got contacts and I'm doing a trial run. I'm going to see how they do, see if I can maintain them because I'm sick and tired of my glasses falling off my face. It's annoying. So hopefully today we'll be able to get a lot of this work done, but as you can tell, today we're back in the garage. So, and if you've been a part of this channel for any amount of time and you've seen the RX7, you know that we have this terrible starting issue. It's a hot start problem.
Okay, I'm gonna pop it.
Well, I think I finally got the piece that's gonna fix it all. This little guy right here is a remote start solenoid. Basically, they used to put these on Ford engines, but with GM, for whatever reason, they decided to put it right next to the headers. So when you do like nice headers, or in our case, an engine that runs really hot because it's a higher compression and all that, the solenoid ends up getting bound up and not wanting to crank over. This thing makes it to where we basically send the signal outside of the engine bay away from all the heat, and then when we go to trigger it, it sends full voltage right to the starter and it cranks right over. So theoretically, this should fix all of our problems, and this part cost me about $12. So if this does fix it, I'm gonna be really sad because I have spent the last like 3 years trying to sort this problem out. So if any of you have hot start issues, this might be the fix for you. There's the part number, just in case if any of y'all need it. I'll also put a link in the description. But first things first, I need to take care of this wasp nest that decided to make a nest in my damn car. That little bastard's gotta go. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there is a big wasp nest in there. So we brought out the big guns. Austin's here, he's gonna take these things out.
I've been bitten by or stung by a wasp, and I'm not allergic, so I'm not too worried about it, but I don't want to get stung in the face. So I got some protection, and I got some killer.
Going in deep.
You ready?
Oh yeah. Give it a whack. Oh, is he pissed?
Oh, I hit it.
You definitely hit the nest. I don't see him
there
moving.
he is.
Oh, he flew out. There he goes. Get some more up in there just to make sure. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's out. He's out. Oh, he's out. He is mad. Woo!
There's another one in there.
Dude, they're flying around. They're pissed.
There's one in there that died. He fell down.
Good. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Fuck. God damn it. Whoops. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Woo! Grab yourself with that damn.
I hit this damn branch.
Oh,
Fuck. Okay, don't get me around bees. I've been stung way too many times. Holy shit.
He's in the foam.
Oh, he'll die if he's in the foam.
2 so far.
2 down, 2 down. Jesus. Oh my God.
He's dead.
Oh yeah, he died quick. Look at that. He is just roasted. Good. Fuck those guys. Whew. That got my blood going.
I think that's all of them.
I think so. We'll just wait a little bit and then we'll rinse it off. We'll be back. Now we just gotta knock that nest back. Any of them in there?
They're dead.
Just keep.
Oh, there's one down there that's still moving.
Oh shit. Get him.
I don't like killing things, but I don't like being stung either.
Yeah, fuck that. I mean, I was just thinking, like, imagine driving this thing and one of those suckers decides to come out and say hello and it gets wrapped up and you can't get out of the car. No, thank you. We got a flyer out here.
Flying hot. He's going that way. Do you see him?
I can barely see him. Oh, he's coming after you. You better watch out. Look at him. Oh, 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 he mad now. Oh, he's mad. Oh!
I got him.
Getting a paint job on the Camaro.
I don't know where he went, but I got him. He is hit.
Where is
He
he?
got way down.
That fogger got him.
I hit him.
Yeah, I saw that. I don't know where he is. So you got him?
He's in pieces now, but he's up at the front.
Oh, that's good. At least he's gone. 3 confirmed wasp deaths. That buddy's down. That's a little dead guy right there. Thing's a mess now. Rip. We are now on like number 6. You want me to pop the pop-ups?
Pop it up.
Ready?
Yep. He didn't fly out.
I popped him up. If you can't tell yet, I absolutely hate wasps. What are you
I'm
doing?
gonna piss him off.
How are we doing that? Oh, he's out. He's out. He's right there. Oh, he's flying. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's mad. Oh, shit. Oh, did you get him? Get him. Oh, he's flying.
He's in their house now.
This is probably comical for anybody watching us. Oh, Jesus.
Low on
How many shade tree mechanics does it take to kill a wasp?
Why are these birds doing their job?
See the birds kill wasps?
Come on, Kyle. You know the rules. Always be recording.
True.
What you didn't see offline was Kyle was saying that they probably eat the wasp, and Kyle was like, I don't know if they eat wasps. And I was like, yeah, the first one he did was probably like, ooh, this one's spicy cricket.
Yeah.
He's the last one.
I know, that's the last guy.
I really want him dead.
Yep.
I mean, I don't want to, but I don't want you to get stuck.
Another casualty.
Just spread it around.
That's number 7?
He's our 7th.
Jeez.
He is lucky after all.
Yeah, he is.
Come on, man.
I just want to work on my car.
That's all I got.
What is it?
Testing out the stiffness.
Oh yeah, I forgot to even mention, we got this thing back a few days ago.
Oh yeah, we finally got it back and it runs.
The Miata's back.
Yeah, we can finally drift both at the same time.
We'll probably do a separate video about that.
Yeah, that's a whole ordeal in itself. But it's back and it runs, and I put new spark plugs in it because mine were fouled. And I need to make the exhaust not smack the body of the car. I'm just gonna use a metal zip tie for now because there's an event tomorrow. So
yeah, I was gonna say, what are we doing tomorrow?
We're drifting tomorrow.
Oh shoot, it's happening.
I just want to kill this damn wasp though. This last one. There's only
still
one
here.
left. I don't know where he went, but he's here somewhere, watching.
We'll find him.
Waiting.
So I think that we finally got it. So now I just need to go disconnect the negative battery terminal. All right, that's that. All right, so we're gonna do a quick explanation down and dirty. This is the remote solenoid starter thingamabobber. Basically, you're gonna take all your hot wires and put them here. So the one that normally goes to the starter, I'll put a diagram like right here, and you'll be able to see how it works. But the hot wires are gonna go here. Your starter wire is gonna go here. And then what's gonna happen is out of here, this wire is gonna go straight to the starter, and we're gonna jump where the original wire went to the jumper, as this description right here shows. If you pay attention to the diagram, you'll see that oh, it's back. He just flew right by us. Okay, so anyway, so I'll just put a little thing here and it'll show, but it's that simple. We're just cutting wires, crimping wires, and putting them all together. That's basically it. So yeah. Anyway, so if you want to come up here, I'll show you real quick. This wire here is the wire that goes to the starter, and this is the big mamma jamma that I got to cut and put on this end. So all I'm going to do really is cut it in half, and then we're just going to splice it. This is where it grounds, so this is going to ground to the body. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a spot like right here. I'm going to get rid of all this paint and crap and make sure it is bare metal, and then we're just going to mount it there and then run these wires back so I won't even have to really unhook a lot. And we're just gonna run a jumper between the start wire and this main power wire on the starter. So just look at the diagram, it'll make it a lot more easy to understand. So the only wire I have left is there's a start wire, the purple one, and a red wire that comes from the fuse to the main harness, and it goes down here and connects down to the battery positive and the start terminal on the starter. It looks like this. Basically, you just jump the bat positive to the start signal. I used a wire. You could use, they actually sell metal jumpers in some stores depending on what your starter looks like, but yeah. But just be careful not to hit the big nut that connects the solenoid to the starter. That one would not be good to touch. So some time has passed. It's much later now, and well, we did manage to get the thing on there, but it's so dark that I won't be able to show you anything right now, so I'm gonna have to show you in the morning. So I'll see you now. Today, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna give it a test. We'll try to start it, let it warm up, and see if that actually fixes our hot start problem, because the last time we did this, this has been plaguing us for like 5 years. Every time this car gets hot, it doesn't want to start back up. So hopefully when we do this, this should fix all of our hot start issues. So let's go give it a shot. All right, here we go. We'll do the warm up. It should start fine here if we're lucky. Here we go. It would help if I primed it. Here we go, let's try 2. There she is, all right. We're just gonna wait for this thing to warm up and I'll be right back. So I'm not sure if my temperature gauge is broken or what, but I can't seem to get this thing above 145. Yeah, anyway, this is about as hot as it was last time when it didn't want to start back up. So I'm gonna show you the temp gauge, we'll shut it off and try to start her back up. That's about where we're sitting at right now. All right, here we go. Okay, so it's technically hot now. So now we'll see if we can get this thing to start back up. Normally, it won't start like this. So let's see what it does. Hey, it cranked. There we go. All right. So I think we should be good for tomorrow. Hell yeah, that's awesome. You probably can't see anything. I wish I could show you just how hot this thing is, but it is hot as hell. Well, luckily this hot start problem seems to be resolved. It's been plaguing us for like 5 years, and now it's finally gone. I can't tell you how good it is to feel knowing that I don't have to worry about turning that key and it just going click. So this is going to be really awesome. If any of you are running an old school small block and running into that hot start issue, this should fix that for you. But I don't think there's a lot of people doing that nowadays. So most people just go LS. But, you know, we're cheap and we want to make sure that shit works. So we should be good now. But the one thing I wanted to let you know is be sure to hit that subscribe button, because here pretty soon we're going to be doing a live stream with me and Austin. We're going to do a little bit of like a Q&A type thing, just kind of answering some questions. And if you can't make it to the live stream, follow me on Twitter and post your questions there. Just anything, whether it's car related, fitness related, or just general, just questions at all. You know, put them there. So that way we can kind of have a list of things just in case if nobody shows up to the live stream, we could still have something to talk about. Otherwise, it's just going to turn into a little podcast we're going to do. So either way, I'll be sure to see you guys in that. And I hope you all have a great day. And I'll be sure to catch you all in the next one. But just remember, you got to keep it nice and easy, okay? See ya.